Hey YouTube, Joseph Ulmer here, and I'm here with Dietrich again. And we're still working on his truck, but right now we have to deal with some inoperable windshield wipers. They've gotten a little floppy. One moves independently of the other. Sometimes one works and sometimes the other one works, and they just haven't made up their mind what exactly they want to do. So we're going to take you through tearing into that so that you can see exactly how to get to the windshield wipers on this. I've done a video replacing the wiper motor in one of these trucks. I will put a card to that up here in the top of the screen somewhere so you can click on it. Do me a favor while we're getting started on this, reach down there and click the subscribe button. Don't forget, when it's over with, rate the video. If you have any questions, you can throw them in the comment section. So give us just a second and we're going to get started. The first thing you're going to have to do, and I'm going to take my, where are your fingers? Your fingers out of the way over there? Yeah. Hey Dieter, go in that same drawer where you got that screwdriver, get that other pocket screwdriver. Those will work a lot better. I got it. Okay. First thing we need to do, there are plastic caps that you have to pop out. Don't last all the way. To get to the screws that hold this plastic cowling down. So go ahead and set that one with the other one. And then once you pop those loose, you got to remove the windshield wiper arms. So if you take the screwdriver, you get underneath the little plastic cap on the end, you can expose the nuts in the windshield wiper arms. Yeah, I hope so. I better remember to pull that out. Okay. Then just zip the nuts off. There we go. Once you've done that, stand the wiper arms up and they'll fly right off the shaft. They'll actually release themselves. Stand all the way up. And keep them separate because the driver and the passenger wiper arms are not identical.
I have it, so I remember the driver and passenger.
Yep. And then you can remove the Phillips screws, hold the plastic cover down. Look all down through that venting. There's probably a couple of them in there. Now, note you're going to have different length screws in different locations now. Maybe not. No, those two are both the same. They were just set in differently. One right here.
That's the baby truck. So like we do in Dave travel, we park right behind them so that way they don't have to drive through the garage or porch like
I got all of them out of this side. Okay, now, I'll get my little clamp and grab my trim panel tool. We'll get the hood back open. Okay,
there's someone with us.
now, I'll go through with my trim panel tool. And there are some push clips right there. One. Okay, go ahead and take that. And then there are also these metal clips in here. You just slide a pocket screwdriver right behind them. got those out, then it's a matter of very delicately, especially on this truck, trying to separate the wood strip off to get these two halves together. We're going to try and lift these apart without breaking them, or at least not breaking them too badly. This plastic is 20 years old. It does get rather brittle. I bet you got a screw, right?
I see it.
Right there. Maybe out there driving around.
I just stopped. I just said I didn't really walk over by the shop, so I just kind of put it over there. So I said I wanted to put that.
Put over where?
Went over to the garage.
A little shop, little garage. Now, guys, we're going to set our plastic pieces off to the side. We're going to have to shut the hood, or at least lower the hood. Because I think we're going to have to pull the wiper assembly out. Let me put it over for just a second.
Just move it into the way so you do it before the long and stuff.
No. And the bolts that hold down the wiper motor assembly are all 8 millimeters. Alright. I'm going to unbolt the wiper motor assembly as best I can. Okay, I'll have to have the hood. Yeah, let's go ahead and take this off. Go ahead and lower, just lower, you don't have to latch it. Go ahead and get that last one over there. Right there by that wiper arm. This one. Yeah. Oh,
It's right there.
yeah. Oh, wow. Arm cramp. That did not feel good. We're going to try and slide this whole assembly out so we can see exactly what we have going on with it. Lucky. Problem is, I'm not going to get drive the wiper on this side right damn way. I can do that way anymore myself. Actually, you know what, Blake? Before we go any farther, hold on a second. Does it look like, I just want to see it. Because everything still feels like it's in position here. Go ahead and lift the hood up just a little bit. I ain't going to plug it back up.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
plug that back in. Let's turn the wipers on. I'm wondering if the arms, if the wipers themselves aren't sliding on these posts. Because this one's got a smooth spot on it. Go ahead and turn the wipers on. Turn the key on, turn the wipers on. Alright, turn them all the way on. Okay, so that's working fine.
This one is good.
Okay.
It's just round it off.
I think they were just sliding on it. Either the bolt, the nuts loosened up or something, and they were just sliding on that post.
Yeah. The bottom right here is like.
It's got a real smooth spot in it?
Yeah. Like all the way around.
So does this side. Okay. Alright guys, so what it looks like, we're going to try to test this theory out real quick. We're going to get these bolts back in and get this thing remounted real quick. Here's that one here. You're fine, grabbing that 15. Here, I'll get these two. Oh, you gotta crawl in first to do it. Do you have the nuts for these still? They're over here. You just watch them, too smart ass. Right up there.
That one wasn't really the one. It just fly open way too much. Here, that's to go over. On the other side of the door.
Okay. Gator, don't worry about that one yet. I just want to get this one on. Alright, go ahead and turn the wiper on. Do it again. Run on. Okay, turn them off. Okay, so that's our problem, is that either the nuts back off, or the arm itself just got worn out. So we're going to put our plastic cowling back on. Then we'll put our wiper arms back on. But before we put them on, take some red Loctite and I'm going to get these threads real good with the red Loctite and get that stem real good with the red Loctite. Hopefully that'll suck it all together and I'll hold it in place and keep it from coming loose again. Alright guys, so if you have problems with your windshield wipers and they get all floppy and wanky and won't go every which direction that they're not supposed to, first things first, watch your fingers guys. Pop these caps off, try and tighten those nuts up, see if that'll help you out. If they're still floppy and wacky and wanky, you're probably going to need a new windshield wiper motor assembly, but you can check out my other video for that one. So, anyway guys, that's all we've got for this video. As you can see, we've got it fixed, it didn't take too long. Blake, why don't you hop back in there and test it real quick, buddy? You were sleeping.
I just took like a 5.
Where?
Sleeping in your truck?
No, I fell asleep in the chair in there.
Oh, I thought maybe you were in your truck dreaming about driving it. You gotta turn the key on. Keep going, keep going. Okay, let's do it all. As you can see guys, they're working just fine. Before, so one of them would work, sometimes the other one wouldn't work, sometimes this one gets flipped over on the mirror. They do all kinds of
for a little bit and then
sometimes they do all kinds of stupid stuff. So, like I said before guys, please do me a favor, click the subscribe button, rate the video. If you have questions, throw them in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer them. And in the meantime guys, you got anything you want to say, Goober? No? He's just upset that we're working on his truck this weekend. You got anything you want to say, Gigantor? Alright guys. Don't forget, get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it.